Bring and buy me a pack with it. Haters, they hop in the booth and I'm rapping it. Shots at your neck on one knee like you capping it. Same since I was a wolf, I've been packing it. Free JD out of the pound, I ain't having it. Lock them away. Bring and buy me a pack with it. Haters, they hop in the booth and I'm rapping it. Shots at your neck on one knee like you capping it. Same since I was a wolf, I've been packing it. Free JD out of the pound, I ain't having it. Lock them away.
Probably about like a month ago, I had gotten a 7900, or was it XFX 7900 XT. I installed the drivers and Adrenalin, and my system crashed, black screens, had to completely reset my PC, had to completely reinstall everything, Windows, all of that. Then I got the XFX 7900 XTX, same issues. So this is what I found a more efficient way of doing this versus the video that was uploaded in 2020 by somebody that really has no relevance to how to do it now. So the first thing you want to do is go to this website, https AMD. I'll leave it in the description below. Go to this website. I have Windows 11, so I downloaded this one, the most recent driver. Press download. Then it'll be up here. Then what I did is I dragged it down here to my desktop, and you'll just go through this. It says it's initializing the software, initializing the install. After that, you just wait. I know everything says AMD Adrenalin Edition software, all that, but you're not installing Adrenalin. Right here on install type, it says full install, minimal install, or driver only. Obviously, you're going to want to click driver only and then click install. Okay, and once you've installed that, I'll load a game or two real quick just so you can see there's no lag. At least I haven't had any issues. I've been playing games for days. I've been streaming, haven't had any lagging, haven't had any crashing, nothing. Drivers haven't updated, everything's been better. I can stream again. I actually have seen an increase in the resolution, like texture and all that. But let's see. Don't come for me because I'm choosing Fortnite. Alright. I'll use my controller though, because I don't have my mouse pad right now, so I don't want it to be as loud. See, so far no issues. Boom, we're in the game. Simple as that. Nothing happened. No issues whatsoever. I'm gonna pop on. Just throw this on right quick. I'm not even gonna use all that. Let me not be extra. The next game I'll show you this on. I was gonna do Destiny 2, but because it uses HDR, I have to change my saturation settings. I don't feel like doing that. So I'm gonna show you on Cyberpunk 2077 after this game, just so you have an idea. Because on Cyberpunk I have ray tracing on, and I have forgot something else on, ultra something. But yes, so see, this is for Fortnite. No issues. Whatsoever. No lag, no problems, no crashing. I've literally gone hours playing this game, streaming. Haven't crashed once. I've never had any issues crashing actually with this driver since any update. Haven't had any issue. That dude was trash. So yeah, showed you for that game. Now we are going to go to, yes, I'm closing it from here. I really don't care. Cyberpunk. Don't know why it's saying it's using so much memory. Oh, it's going down. Okay. So we're gonna go on Cyberpunk. And this will be the last game that I'm showing you guys. That it has no issues, no crashing, nothing. Because I'm gonna be honest, I was very hesitant to do this. I wanted to just make a really quick video because I looked it up everywhere. There were no straightforward videos. There were no videos telling me how to do this exactly. Only install the drivers. So I took the risk in installing it and just looking myself versus, you know, not, because I was really worried. I honestly didn't even want to try to attempt to install any type of the drivers on here after what had happened and me having to reset my whole PC and re-download everything. So yeah, I really hope this helps. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video.
So then, did you all hear
Let
about
me show you
that
real quick.
Arasaka aircraft carrier
Cyberpunk, as you see already, no crash, load time's good, everything's good. I grab my car watch. Everything's good, dude. Where's my whip? Oh, bro, you can pop the what? I did not know you could do that. It's super dark right now too. So, as you see, no problems. Look, nothing. No problems too. Running just fine. No crashing, no glitching, lagging, nothing. Everything's running smoothly, and I'll show you, as you can see in my settings, we have ray tracing ultra on, super resolution, 2560 borderless, also have VSync on, no issues. It's great. Really hope this video helped you guys out. Definitely helped me. I was ready to just sell my graphics card and go get me an Nvidia 4090, but didn't feel like paying $600 more, $800 more. So yeah, hope this video helped you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to leave a like and a comment down below to let me know if it helped you. And make sure to share with your friends, because I know a lot of people are having issues with this, and I'm just trying my best to help everyone out. And that's it. Have a good one.
No, not me. Not me.
Look. We'll see the real and I'm stacked with it. Fakes you not know whether you just be acting. They left for my niggas that stayed in the trap with it. I'm gonna bring y'all back when I'm back with it. Hate for the front niggas lying and capping it. Y'all don't understand this shit, I've been tracking that. I'ma get my bread and buy me a pack with it. Haters stay hopping the booth and I'm rapping it. Shots at your neck on one knee like you capping it. Look. We'll see the real and I'm stacked with it. Fakes you not know whether you just be acting. They left for my niggas that stayed in the trap with it. I'm gonna bring y'all back when I'm back with it. Hate for the front niggas lying and capping it. Y'all don't understand this shit, I've been tracking that. I'ma get my bread and buy me a pack with it. Haters stay hopping the booth and I'm rapping it. Shots at your neck on one knee like you capping it.